Hey! So you might be wondering, how did we get more tires on Hudson's tractor?
Yeah.
We thought we would get more tires so we'd go through more mud and pull more stuff.
We're going mudding with it.
Yes, we're gonna take it mudding and see what it can pull. But first, you wanna know how we got the tires on there?
Yeah.
Well, look!
This.
Look at this one. So we took the back tires off and we put it on that one. Hopefully it can go through a lot more mud. Do you think so? You wanna go try? Let's go see. Let's take it off-roading. Come on. I'm excited. Now we got all this mud. You think your tractor's gonna make it?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Drive it in there. Let's see if it's good in the mud. Go! Go! Drive it!
I bumped into a stuck in.
Uh-oh, here, try it. I'll help you. All right, drive it. Go. Oh, it's so muddy. Here, let's try and drive through the mud. Oh, whoa, you're doing a wheelie. Oh, it's so sticky. All right, go. Go, go, go. Go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Oh, you made it. Woo. Look at the tracks. Look how deep that was.
Why?
That's muddy. Get in there. See how muddy it is.
Oh, it's really muddy and cold.
I know. I'm surprised your tractor drove through that.
Yeah. Dad, get in.
Hey, can I drive your tractor in the mud?
Yeah.
All right, here it goes. I'm stuck.
Yeah.
Push me. All right, you think you can drive up it?
Yeah.
All right, go. Go, go, go. Woo! Those extra tires helped. Hey, you want to go see if it can pull a lot more weight too on your trailer? With those extra tires?
Yeah.
I bet it can pull a lot of stuff. Let's go try. Hey, you gotta help me out first. I'm stuck in the mud. Give me a hand. You gonna pull me? And go. Oh, thank you. So now that we went through all the mud, you wanna see how much stuff we can put in your trailer? See if we can pull it? We're gonna put a bunch of wood in it. Come on. All right, you wanna fill up your trailer with some wood? All right, let's see how much it'll hold, see if it'll drive. We're loaded down. You think it's gonna drive it? Try and pull it, see if it works. So the extra tires seem like they help, right?
Yeah.
It was able to go mudding through the dirt and the hills, and it was able to pull your big trailer full of wood.
Yeah.
So I think they worked. High five. That was a good job. Make sure you guys thumbs up, like, subscribe, and watch more of our videos. Bye.
Hey!